This is just a quick tutorial to show people how aggravating these things can be. Anyway, kept getting this clunk when I stepped on the gas, and as you can see, I've got the engine all jacked up. But anyway, kept getting these clunks when you step on the gas. Couldn't determine what it was. Anyway, it's part of the problem right there, replaced already though. That's a new motor mount. It's not in all the way. You can see the when the bolt goes on top, no bolt there yet. Still working on the other side. But the good news is the other side is out. But as you can see, things you have to do. All that back there, you gotta take the top off that guy. Down here, you're gonna take the hoses off your radiator. Lower hose. Let's see. The lower hose. And the upper hose. Completely out there. Goes from here. You can see, don't know. Right there. From here to there. Gotta get that guy out of there. And the belt's loose because the air compressor is off. I'm gonna show you that from the bottom. Got to jack the engine up. It's probably up about 4, close to 6 inches. There's the air conditioning compressor right there. She's apart. And of course, the motor mount goes back in there. This is one of the brackets. You can see that this is one of the brackets. Came off the driver's side, and the other one is in place on the passenger side already. I deemed it safe to do only one side at a time, so this motor wouldn't shift while I was under it doing other stuff. And here is one corporate. These right here. That's the bad one. So when I say bad, I mean bad. You can see how it's made. It's got rubber in here attached to this metal, and that's pretty much it. And I don't know why they make it that way, because in pulling, and then you've just got rubber pulling apart, and it's in the bottom of the bolt stopping the stuff and coming over through. Anyway, that came off the driver's side. And if I got one, I surely have another. This one came off the passenger side. Same issue. Rubber separating. Anyway, if you're gonna try this job, man, good luck. It's not fun. But it needs to be done, because this is going to aggravate you forever. Forever. Anyway, you won't need any real special tools except the star drive. Let's see if I can't find it. Number 12, I believe it is. This is the most special tool you're going to need right here. It's a number, and you can see it, it's a number 12, E12, and it's a star drive. That is going to take the mounting plate that mounts to the engine that the motor mount mounts to. So there you go. Anyway, you're gonna have to disconnect everything that the engine attaches to that might be compromised when you lift it. So be careful, make sure you find everything's a few little things, and the mount for the transmission also should probably be disconnected. I disconnected mine. I haven't looked back there to see if it really affected it one way or the other, but it's disconnected, so if it rises, it won't be stuck on the frame. Anyway, there you go. That clunk. You see a lot of guys on YouTube saying, the clunk is from this, and the clunk is from that. If you put your car in drive, chalk it up real good, chalk the wheels real good, and step on the gas and look under the hood, or have someone step on the gas while you look under the hood. Or the way I did it was I chalked it up real good, started the car course, chalked the wheels and everything real good, and I did this. This right here will accelerate. And when I did that, the engine rose and dropped, rose and dropped. So no more guessing. That's the source of my clunk. Anyway, this engine might look kind of high sitting in there right now because it's 6 inches higher than it should be. And like I said, if you guys are going to try this job, you might want to do some research and find out all the things you might need to disconnect. But it's not impossible, but I tell you what, it's not easy. All right, good luck.